apocalypse.
Shortcut virus remover and how to recover files after removing the shortcut virus. Although antivirus software can often miss shortcut virus files, it can serve as a double guarantee that your PC is rid of the virus. Download and install antivirus software to scan and clean up all detected virus files from your Windows the 7th of August 10 PC or USB. Some antivirus will be more effective than others for your particular hardware setup, so that you may try more than one. 1. Norton Power Eraser. 2. McAfee Stinger. 3. Shortcut Virus Remover. 4 steps to remove shortcut virus with free antivirus software. Here I take Norton Power Erase as an example. Step 1. Download and run Norton Power Eraser. If a new version is available, Norton Power Eraser will check and download it. Step 2. In the Norton Power Eraser window, click the Scan for Risks icon. By default, Norton Power Eraser will perform a rootkit scan and ask you to restart the system. When you see the prompt to restart the computer, click Restart. If you do not want to include rootkit scanning, please go to Settings and uncheck the Include Rootkit Scanning option. Step 3. Depending on your situation, take one of the following steps. If you see No Risk Found, Norton Power Eraser has not detected any risk on your computer, click OK to end. If you see any files listed as bad, the Remove checkbox under Action will be automatically checked. It is recommended that you remove these files. If the Repair checkbox under Action is checked, these files will be repaired after restarting. If you see any files listed as Unknown, click the cloud icon that appears next to these files. It will send the file to a Symantec server and scan it using a traditional signature detection engine. Step 4. After successfully removing the risk, click Finish. How to recover files after removing the shortcut virus. After removing the shortcut virus from your USB and Windows PC, you should browse your data to see if anything important was lost in the process. It can be difficult and eye-straining to scour your entire hard drive for files that may have been lost. To speed up the process of finding lost files, and to quickly recover them, use EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard to search your drive. EaseUS Data Recovery software scans deep into the data content of your disk to find all data lost from deletion, formatting, or virus attacks. Besides, it also supports data recovery from lost partition, raw partition, damaged hard drive, and so on. To see just how straightforward data recovery can be. 1. Launch EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Select the disk partition or storage device where you lost files and click the Scan button. Step 2. This program will quickly start a scanning process to find lost files. When the process accomplishes, you can double-click files to have a preview before selection. Step 3. Choose the files you want. Then click the Recover button to get them back. You should save the data to another safe spot in your PC storage device, not where they lost. After restoring the data, to make sure that you are done with the shortcut virus, you can back up data before formatting, then reformat the drive. Then restore the data from your backup, and your computer will be safe and good as new. Thanks for watching it. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon with a smile.